Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I'm on my second channel because we have our favorite boxes of the month. Actually, these are not our favorite boxes. This is another spicy subscription box. Remember the last one I put up? They totally scammed me. They did send me another one. I thought I canceled, but I guess I didn't. So I emailed the company. I asked them to please cancel my subscription. So I don't think I'll get this next month. If I do, then they're just not canceling me. This is an adult subscription box, and it sends you, you're supposed to get 4 to 5 products, and you're paying $34.99 for it. So you are expecting like a good amount of stuff. So let's open it up and see. This month it just came literally in a bag. So there's no box this month. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out are roller balls massager. The roller balls massager is an innovative massage glove designed for an absolute relaxation. Its palm shape conforms to your body as you roll the steel balls over your stressed neck, arms, shoulders, legs, and more. So you put it on your hand and you massage yourself. Okay. The next thing is this, and this is a vibrating e-ring, and it lasts up to 30 minutes. I'm not going to take it out because I have a few of these. They send you these almost every month. So you just put this on wherever you want, him, her, and or on your finger, and it vibrates. Okay. The next, this is the Exciter Duo Balls. The vibrating effect of balls rocking back and forth causes amazing sensation. What do you do with them? I don't know where they would go. I don't know what you would do with them. Literally, I have no clue. I'm drawing a blank here. If you know, let me know. What do these do? I don't know what these would do. It feels like there's weights in them. Okay. I have no clue. Honestly, no clue. And the last but not least is this. And this is the Wisteria Breeze 3-speed. It looks like a spoon. Always use a rubber compatible lubricant with this product for maximum pleasure. What is it? This is the cheapest thing I've ever seen. I can't believe they charge $34.99 for this box. And they send you like the cheapest stuff they can possibly send you. Like maybe if they would send like one really expensive product, then it would be different. But no, they don't. They just literally send you the cheapest stuff. And like that body roller massager thing is gonna break in a second. Okay. That just looks silly. Looks like a music note or a spoon or a cigar. This is just stupid. It's really cheap. Like really cheap plastic. All right, so for the month of October 2020, we received this. I'm still not sure what it is. Power Bullet, wireless and waterproof, Wisteria Breeze 3-speed. So there's only 3 speeds in there too. I think I have something in my eye. Okay, so we got this. We got these, which, I mean, maybe they're for your tush? They seem really far apart, don't they? I have no idea. Let me know if you know what these are for. And there's weights in them. We received the vibrating e-ring. These are like $2, guys. So we definitely didn't get our money's worth. I know I'm being a negative Nancy, but I know I canceled and then I'm charged again and sent this. I don't want this. And the roller balls massager. I mean, this might be cool to try and massage my back or my husband's back. I'll definitely try it, but I don't have high hopes for it because it seems really cheap. Oh, the plastic is like really close to where the balls are, so it does seem like it's going to scratch. This is just strange, guys. Okay, all right, so, and we got this. That was for the month of October 2020. I'll make sure to not link this in my description box down below because I don't think anyone should purchase it. And that is it for today, guys. Sorry, this was a little negative. It's just a negative box. It's a bad box. Don't buy it. I don't want you to buy this box. No, don't do it. All right, guys, that is it for today. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.